Hello my lovely friends, how are you? Welcome back to Awesome Hairstyles channel if you're new. Then hello, I'm Zina and I'm a hair artist. But today I'll show you how to incorporate some kanikalon hair or synthetic hair into boxer braids on yourself. That's an easier version that anyone can recreate it and make these beautiful braids for summer. So if you want to know how to incorporate some kanikalon hair into your summer boxer braids, please keep on watching.
I decided to use some lavender pink kanikalon, but it was too long, so I decided to cut it into half when braiding, because this way will be easier for me and it will not tangle so much. And I'll use some kanikalon that matches my hair color, but you can use only one that you like. First you want to make a central straight parting. As you can see, I'm doing this on camera and it's not that straight. Then I'll use some gel to make sure that my braids will stay in place for several days. Now I'm using tiny small elastics to tie the small ponytails in the front before beginning my braids. This is amazing for beginners because this way it will not unravel so easily. If you don't like this look, you can definitely afterwards cut it. So then I'll fold my kanikalon hair that matches my hair into two, and I'll tuck it into the elastics one of the end of my kanikalon. Now I'll use kanikalons as my side strands of a Dutch braid. So basically I'm incorporating more hair to my kanikalon hair and use them as my side strands. So basically I'm adding small tiny pieces of my hair to each side strands before crossing under the middle one. As you can see, this is a basic Dutch braid, but it's a little harder to make because we have to take small pieces and make sure they're smooth. Also guys, I saw a lot of girls are using combs to braid their hair, but I find this so much harder. That's why I'm using my fingers. If you feel that using a comb is easier for you, but for me it's like I need my third hand, but I don't, but unfortunately I have only two, so this way I'm using only my fingers to comb through the sections. So when you're adding a new piece of kanikalon hair, make sure to add it to two strands and not mess it up too much, okay? Some are dividing it into three, but it's too hard. It's better to add it only to two strands and then braid it. Make sure to hold it with your fingers like I'm showing and incorporate it into your strands. And continue braiding as you are making a Dutch braid. So basically I'll continue these steps over and over again. Now I'll add some colors. So basically, as you can see, I'm holding it with my fingers and add it into my braid. Also, you can definitely not cut your kanikalon hair, but this one pink was too long, trust me. It tangles so much and make overall steps even harder. I don't like to complicate my life, and instead I just cut it. So you want to incorporate as much as you need colorful or kanikalon hair that matches your hair. I'm basically not loving that thick braid, especially when making Dutch braids, but if you want a hairstyle with a thicker kanikalon hair, let me know in comments down below, so I'll make sure to make a video for you as well, or maybe with other type of braid. Let me know in comments down below. Okay, so we'll continue these steps over and over, adding hair, how much hair we like, and then we want to make a simple 3-strand braid. As I'm making my 3-strand braid, I decided to add a little more color to it, so I'm adding again a little more pink hair, and I'm continuing braiding. Then when reaching the ends, make sure to tie the ends using a clear elastic. Some loves to dip in the hair into boiling water, so this way it will not unravel, but I decided to make it simple and tie it using a clear elastic. It holds very well and I'm okay with that. Repeat this braid on other side, of course. Then you want to measure your braids, making sure they are even, and cutting if needed. Also, I love to cut a little more to make the ends looking more natural and not that thick, and you're done. Cute, right? And so useful, especially for these summer days when it's hot.
If you enjoyed this video so far, please don't forget about thumbs up and subscribe if you're new, and make sure to click that bell notification button to be notified every time I post a new hair tutorial. Let me know in comments down below what kind of hairstyles you'd like me more to share here on my YouTube channel. But that's it for today, and I love you so much, and see you soon in my next hair tutorial. Bye!